Here's this Asus laptop, and there's a problem with the power plug. It's very loose. More exactly, it's A541NA. So the power plug is here. It's already fixed. Now it's not loose. Now if I insert it, it has a little bit of friction. It's not coming out that easily. Plus it enters and stays there. How I fixed it? Well, if you take a look, there's that center pin inside and it is slightly deformed. It's pushed towards the side. So use, let's say, a plastic tool, it's not conductive, and slightly push that center pin to the side. Don't break it, don't use too much force. This is halfway destructive. Okay, so it's not exactly in the center anymore. It's modified just a little bit. It's not entering directly. There is a little bit of force which is stopping it, so it's not falling out either. So if you have power related problems, your battery is not charged, then deform a little bit that center pin and it should be better. Use a plastic tool, not a metal one. So now it's in standby mode. The first LED is blinking. After I plug it in, this will turn on. And I don't need to plug it in all the way, just let's say halfway. So it's not plugged in totally, and it's still charging. There's the LED.